Now it's time to remove the shift lever and the wood trim surrounding it. That's done by opening the ashtray and lifting up at the front edge. There's one electrical connector to unplug, but your car may have more depending on the level of options. Next, in order to get the shift lever off, you must manually release the lever to have room to pull it up. And the shift knob is removed by loosening the collar and pulling it straight off, as known from other models. Also, by manually operating a lever on the shift case, you can shift the car out of gear without having the key in the ignition. Now we're going to remove the ashtray, and this is done by unclipping it with your hands and removing one electrical connector.